I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a hold on your Lyft driver earnings, follow these steps to unlock your funds. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Lyft driver app and navigate to the earnings section. Look for any notifications or alerts that may explain the hold on your earnings. Step 2. Review your documentation. Ensure that all your required documents, such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance, are up to date and correctly uploaded. If any documents are expired or missing, this could be the reason for the hold. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. If everything seems in order, reach out to Lyft support through the app. Use the help section and select earnings to find the option to report the issue. Step 4. Provide additional information. Be prepared to provide any additional information or documentation that Lyft may request. This could include proof of vehicle ownership or updated insurance details. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, wait for a confirmation from Lyft. They usually respond within a few days, but it can vary. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Remember, keeping your documents current and staying in touch with support can help prevent future holds. Good luck and happy driving.